It means, generally speaking, we use the present tense to talk about general actions, general activities, general truth, and so on and so forth. But there's a little difference between the present simple and the present continuous. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. So can you please read the definition?
Okay.
Yeah.
In English grammar, we use the present tense to talk about something that is going on now, currently, or that is true now and at any time. In other words, we use the present tense to describe an event in real time. Example happening at that very moment. Let us learn more about the present tense and its types.
Okay, finished?
Yeah.
I think you have a problem with your with the voice, Mariam.
What, Mister?
Yeah, you have a problem with the voice. I don't hear you clearly.
No, I hear you.
Okay, no problem. Listen to me. Do you listen? Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So in English grammar, we use the present tense to talk about something that is going on now, currently, or that is true now and at any time. In other words, as I've just said, we use the present tense to talk about general actions, general activities, something that is happening now, something that is going on, and so on and so forth. All right?
Okay.
We can also use it to talk about something that we cannot change. It means, for example, a general fact, a scientific fact, which we cannot change, which we cannot deny. We have to refer to or describe it or talk about it using the present tense. All right?
Okay.
Okay, so let's go on. The next step, types of the present tense. The types of the present tense. As you can see, the present tense is of 4 types, namely simple present tense, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Our focus will be on the first 2 ones, the simple present tense and the present continuous. All right?
Okay.
But this is for your knowledge. You have to know that there are 4 sub-tenses for the present tense. First one, simple present tense. Second one, present continuous. Third one, present perfect. And the fourth one, present perfect continuous. All right?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go ahead with the simple present tense. As you can see. Okay, please read loudly. Let me check if you have the clear voice.
Okay.
Yeah.
The simple present tense uses the same verb form as the root form of the verb. We use the simple present tense in the following conditions.
Okay, in the following condition, you just stop here, please.
Okay.
Just 2 seconds. Okay, so we start with the simple present tense. The simple present tense uses the same verb form as the root form. What does that mean? For example, let me take the example of the verb play or the verb write. If I want to use the verb write with the pronoun, the first pronoun I can simply say, I write a letter every day. For example, yes, I write a letter every day. I write an email every day. The meaning of the same verb form as the root form, what does it mean? Here I'm using the verb write with the first person pronoun I, and there is no change. It means I'm keeping the verb as it is. I write. I didn't add anything to the verb. It means I'm keeping the verb as it is, the original form of the verb. Write, play, drive, I drive, I play, I write, and so on and so forth. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. But if I use, for example, if I use the verb write in the present continuous, I will have to make some changes. When I say, for example, I am writing a letter now, see that I have added am and I have added ing to the root form of the verb. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. It means that I have, or some changes have occurred to the root form of the verb write. It's different. When I use the simple present, I say I write. He writes. She writes. I'm keeping the same root form. But with the present continuous, I have to reform and add I am writing an ing to the end of the verb. All right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's why I'm just explaining the meaning of the root form of the verb. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. We use the simple present tense in the following conditions. Definitely. We use, in other words, when do we use the simple present, or why do we use the simple present? First one, read the first one.
To show a fact or something that is always true. Example, what boils at 100 degrees.
Very good. So here, I use the simple present to show a fact or to talk about a scientific fact that is always true. Always true. It can't be changed. In other words, if water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, it means that it can't boil below 100 degrees Celsius. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. That's why we say that the present simple shows, or we use the present simple to show a fact that is unchangeable, always true. It's scientific. Nobody can deny it. Nobody.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, and if you look carefully at the verb boils, I'm underlining it now. Boils take the S. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. It means that I'm using the simply present. Suppose that water, we can refer to the subject water with it. It boils. Yes or no?
Yes, we can.
Yes. That's why I do the simple present in here. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next example. Next condition.
For activities that we do daily, regularly, or have frequently. Example, I play basketball every day.
Very good. Again, I can use the simple present to talk about an activity that we do daily. Sports activity, for example, which you do daily. I simply say, I play basketball every day. I go jogging every afternoon. I do or I play tennis every morning. See? Something or an activity which is repeated every day. I refer to, or I can express it using the simple present. Okay?
Yeah.
Again, my verb, I play, is in the present, as you can see. It's in the present. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, definitely. I play basketball every day. She plays basketball every day. They play basketball every day, and so on and so forth. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next step, to express.
To express thoughts, feelings, opinions, and beliefs.
Yeah.
Example, I believe that there is only one God, who is Allah.
Very good. Again, we can use the simple present to talk about or to express beliefs, opinions, feelings. This example is very clear and quite easy. I believe that there is only one God, who is Allah. Something which no one, or that no one cannot deny. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is a truth, a belief, a strong belief that we believe that there is only one God, who is Allah. Again, I'm using the simple present. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next condition.
For schedules, plans, and programs.
Yeah.
At 9 o'clock night.
Thank you so much. Listen to me carefully here. I have to explain and you have to answer to listen carefully. If here, you might ask me, teacher, why do we use leaves? Or why do we use the simple present if I am talking about something which will happen in the future? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. You can, or you might say, teacher, we have to say that the train will leave at 9 o'clock night. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Suppose now we are talking now together. It's 12:30. And I ask you, Maryam, when will the train leave? You answered me, Mister, the train leaves at. You say the train leaves at. Here, you can have a doubt. Why do you use the present simple, teacher? Why do we use the simple present? Why the answer is not the train will leave at 9 o'clock? Here, I can simply answer and say that we can use the present simple also to talk about a schedule or a plan in the near future. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
Yes. In other words, we use the simple present, which has the smell of a future time, a future tense. All right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is an everyday language. You can find this language for every day in Britain or America in their everyday life. They use the present simple to talk about the future plans, a near future. Not long future, but a near future. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, good. Next one, or the last one.
To give instructions, example, answer the question no.
Very good. Also, we use the present simple to give instructions, to give orders. Answer the question now. Get up early. Don't write. Answer the question. So here, we cannot use any other tense to talk or to give instructions, only with the present simple. We cannot use the past or the future to give instructions. This is illogical, impossible. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, that's why we can also use the simple present to give instructions, like this example. All right?
Okay.
Okay, so is it clear so far?
Yeah.
Yeah, so these are the possible conditions when we can use the present simple, as you can see. All right?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, I just want to move on to the present continuous. All right?
Mm.
Just a few seconds, please. All right. Yes, please. Can you read, please?
Yeah. The present continuous, also called present progressive, is a verb tense which is used to show that an ongoing action is happening now. The present continuous can also be used to show that an action is going to take place in the near future.
Excellent. Very good. So it's quite easy. The present continuous, or it can also be called the present progressive. It's a subtense, which is one, or which is it's a subtense that we use to talk about an action that is in progress, something that is happening now and still continuous. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, for example, we are learning English now at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, something that is going on and still. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. The present continuous can also be used to show that an action is going to take place in the near future. What does it mean that to take place in the near future? For example, I look at the sky now and I remark that there is
Cloud.
the sky is cloudy, for example. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. So I can use the present continuous saying, oh, the sky is cloudy. I think it's raining very soon. It is raining very soon. We don't say it is going to rain. This is the future tense.
Yeah.
Don't mix. I just say it is raining very soon. All right?
Yeah, يعني you predict, right?
Yes, Mariam?
يعني when we predict something like
Yeah, very good. Yes, it has the flavor. Very good. It has the smell of a prediction.
yeah.
Yeah, so we can say, or we can use the present continuous to predict about something which will happen in the near future. The near future.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we don't say, or we should not use the present continuous to talk about something which will happen next year or in the long of after a long period. No, we just talk about something which will happen close by in time. All right?
Okay.
Yes. Is it clear?
Yes, it's clear.
And again, as I said, the present continuous, as I said in the beginning, the present continuous belongs to the present tense in general. All right? It's a subtense, which
Yeah.
belongs to the present tense. Okay?
Okay.
Yes. So the form of the present continuous is quite easy and clear, as you can see. The present continuous is formed using am, I am, or is, he, she, it is, or are, you are, they are, we are, plus verb, plus ing. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, I am studying English now. He, she is studying English now. We, you are studying English now. All right?
Okay.
Yes, that's the form of the present continuous. And by which we finish the lesson, as you can see. That's the end of the lesson. All right?
Okay. Thank you, Mr.
Yes. So if you have any question, please, you can ask me. All right?
Okay. Everything's clear. Thank you.
Clear?
Yeah.
All right. Can you please take a photo of this one to write it in your notebook, please?
Yeah. Okay.
Just take a photo of the lesson.
Okay.
The whole lesson, please. Short screen or whatever you like.
Okay, Mr. Go down, please.
Done? Everything?
No, just let's see the.
Scroll down.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Again?
Yeah. Again.
Again?
Okay. Yeah.
And the last one.
Yeah.
Finished?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your attention. And I
Welcome.
think we have a lesson tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, we have.
Okay, tomorrow we have reading, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay, do you have the book? Do you have the course book?
Yes, I have the course.
Okay, good, fine. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Okay, Mr. Tomorrow during the lesson or like today?
Sorry?
Tomorrow I will enter during the lesson with the class or after?
No, because you are, listen to me. Tomorrow we'll have to see how, when are you free tomorrow?
I think at 12:15 like this.
12. No problem. No problem. I will give you the lesson with your friends tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. I will send you the link and so on and so forth. I will send you on WhatsApp, okay?
Okay.
I will teach you your friends, then we will continue with other activity, inshallah, together, all right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome. Thank you.
Okay, see you.